The purpose of this third training video is to instruct on the features of the heart rate readout and specifically what the changing text color means. So once the sensor is paired and the heart rate max has been entered, you're now ready to conduct a session. You're going to hit start.
Training started.
And recording will begin. Polar Beat automatically color codes the heart rate reading based on the percentage of heart rate max in 10% increments according to the heart rate max that has been entered. If you do not enter a heart rate max, the app will automatically calculate a heart rate max based on the age of the user in the profile. The color of the text will change as the patient enters the different training zones.
You are burning fat.
The heart rate text will be white when the patient's heart rate is less than 60% of heart rate max. So clearly, that's where I'm at right now at 82. It will transition to a blue color once the patient reaches the 60% heart rate max zone. At 70% of heart rate max, the text will transition to a green color. When the text changes to green, I know that we have now entered the targeted high intensity training zone. At 80% heart rate max, the heart rate text color will transition to yellow. We are right at the top of the high intensity training zone when the text is yellow. At 90% heart rate max, the text will transition to red, which actually exceeds the high intensity training zone. Utilizing the color scheme that the Polar app has set up allows me to quickly understand where my patient is at without having to memorize or reference the patient-specific training zones mid-session.